In Volvo V60 you won't be able to lift the wiper arm like this, the hood is in the way. In order to replace our wiper blades, we'll have to activate the wiper service mode. For this we have to slide the screen from right to left, and you will see this button, wiper service position. Press this button and the wiper arms will lift up. Now I will be able to raise the wiper blade. In order to remove it, we first have to turn it like this until we hear a click. Then we'll press this button and remove the wiper blade. Another important step that you guys have to do is use a rag and rest the wiper arm on the windshield. This way it won't fall and accidentally break the glass. The replacement of the second wiper blade gets done exactly the same way. Again, turn it until you hear a click, press the button and remove the blade. Install the new one, push it in, install the second one exactly the same way, push it in until it snaps and push it back in. Our replacement is complete. Now you'll need to press the wiper service position button again and our wipers will go down. To replace the rear wiper, first we have to lift this back plastic cover and we have to detach the washer hose. Simply pull it off like this. Now we'll be able to raise the wiper like this, and now I will simply pull it off and the whole piece comes out. Install the new one in the same manner. First this one clips back in, and now the hose has to go underneath here, through here, and we can reinstall the hose and the cover goes back on.